I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the Gemini API and creating a service account so your app can authenticate. Once done, download the JSON key and export Google application credentials to point at it. Now install the official client library for your language and verify the SDK can authenticate. Doing this early prevents cryptic auth errors. Make a simple test call to list models to confirm connectivity and credentials, and note the model names you'll use for subsequent requests. You must build requests that match the model type and usage pattern. Choose text, chat, or multimodal and set temperature, max tokens, and context. Once done, format inputs as JSON with prompts, messages, or embedded content, and decide streaming versus batch responses. Streaming reduces latency for long outputs. Make sure to implement exponential backoff for 429s, chunk large inputs to stay under token limits, and track token consumption so your quota and billing stay predictable. You finalize integration by parsing model outputs into your app's data structures and managing conversational state or document context across calls. Make sure to persist only what's necessary and rotate keys regularly. Once deployed, optimize prompts for shorter outputs and adjust context windows to control costs. If things go wrong, first verify the service account key and IAM scopes, then confirm quota and billing status, and finally upgrade or pin client library versions. These steps fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.